Okay, drivers behind the line. In 3, 2, 1, go.
We are underway. Playoff match number 2 here at Kettering, day 2. Quick scoring on both sides of the field. We've got 3707 Techno Dogs putting a cube up top. Team 70 More Martians dropping 2 game pieces up top. At the end of Auton, we have Martians balancing on that charge station for the Blue Alliance. Going into teleop, it's 36-21 in favor of the Blue Alliance. We've got engineers, we've got chimeras over at their human player station getting loaded up with game pieces. Somebody lost a cube. We've got Martians coming over to score on the blue side of the field. Looks like they're going to pop that cone up top. We've got more Martians going up and over the charge station, going over to their human player. 3707 Techno Dogs. They've got a cube in their possession. Looks like they're going to try to place that up top, maybe down low. We've got Team 70 More Martians. They've got a cone. They're going up top. That's going to complete another link for the Blue Alliance. Over on the red side of the field, we got 2337 Engineers cruising around. They're coming to their human player. Going to grab a cone, take that back. We've got Twix looking, maybe they're going to scoop up that cube off the floor, send that back into the red scoring community. Chimeras, they've got a cone. Looks like they're going to go up top. We're going to complete a link over on the red side of the field. More Martians grabbing a cone from their human player. They're coming back across. We got all 3 blue robots looking to score. Martians, more Martians. Techno Dogs all scoring over here for the Blue Alliance. Twix has a cube in their possession. Let's see if they can get that back into the red community to score. Chimeras are dropping one into the center level there for their team. With just under 60 seconds left, it's 85-53 in favor of that Blue Alliance. More Martians looking to score, making another link over here for the blue side. Big contact there between Martians and Engineers right at the center of the field. Engineers coming back. They're going to take a cube this time back over to the red side of the field. Twix is trying its very best to get up on that charging station with just about 30 seconds left. More Martians looking to drop another cube up top. Here comes their partners, 3707 Techno Dogs, dropping a cube down low for the blue side. Martians also dropping a cone down low. Looks like we got 2 robots up on the charging station, making room for their 3rd robot. With 13 seconds left, we got 3 blue robots up over here. Twix trying to get up there. Let's see if they can get a little help from their partners. With 5 seconds left, we've got 2 red robots up and balanced. Let's get those scores for playoff match number 2. Blue Alliance is going to take the win here with a score of 145-103. Alliance number 5 is going to stay in that upper bracket. Alliance 4 slides on down to that lower bracket. We're going to send it back to the desk for a replay.
Well, match number 2, Blue Alliance taking the upset and advancing through the upper bracket in this one. Congratulations to them. Good match on both sides here, Jim. How do you break this one down?
Yeah, again, I said it before, I'll say it again. Autonomous really sets the stage for what's to come afterwards. Blue Alliance coming out, strong Autonomous. Both of those Martian teams working together, getting a great Autonomous mode and coming out with about a 10-15 point advantage at the start.
Yeah, looking at this right here, look at the Autonomous score, 36-21. You know, unfortunately here, 99-84 got a little stuck up. I'm not sure what quite happened. Maybe it looked like half their drive was not working, Jim?
Yeah, it looked like throughout the match that they were kind of spinning in one circle. It's a tank drive instead of a swerve drive. And so a classic failure on that type of robot is to lose one side of your drivetrain. Looks like that's what happened.
Yeah, very unfortunate of them. I do want to talk about Blue Alliance, so they seem very choreographed throughout this match. One thing I really love here, 3707 you see down there on the field, doing a great job with the ground pickup there, and I think that really cleared a lot of space for the 2 Martians teams to just do what they do, going back and picking up on the far side.
Yeah, and a lot of opportunity, I think, because of 99-84 not being functional over on red. You can see even here, 100 seconds left, there's still 3 pieces laying out in the middle of the field for 3707 to grab, opening up the laneways for the 2 Martians.
And looking at red here, if you look at the 2 robots functioning on the field there with 2337 and 1684, I thought overall they did pretty good. You did just see there, though, you know, a couple times when they're going back, both the robots going to pick up at the same time. And while if choreographed well, that can work, sometimes that happens where they just kind of bump and jar, just like right there. We saw Chimera's got delayed a little bit by doing that. So when you're running two like that, I think you got to coordinate a little bit better who's scoring when and who's going back to pick up.
Yeah, again, they are maintaining separate laneways. It's clear they've got designated laneways on the dual substation.
Looking through the rest of this match here as we start to go down towards the final sun here, you see Blue getting their doctrine engaged quite early, already starting to go back with about 20, 25 seconds left to do that. When you have a clear lead like that, makes a lot of sense to me. Why not go and just make sure you are getting down? This is the first match they're playing together. You got to make sure you get that triple.
Yeah, and again, there's, you know, they have a 30-point, 40-point advantage here going into the end game with only 30 points on the table. If they just do it early, and they get that in the bank, and they're all set. And meanwhile, Red Alliance, again, 99-84, unable to get up on the charge station, so only a 20-point balance for the Red Alliance number 4.
Absolutely. So that is going to send in match number 2. Red Alliance is going to drop down the lower bracket. We'll see them in match number 5. Blue Alliance advancing into the upper bracket, match number 7. We got match number 3 coming up. Let's send it back down on the field and learn more about our competitors.